We're asked to find the derivative of y with respect to t. And so this is a derivative of an inverse trigonometric function. So I can use what our textbook has already derived for us. These are the derivatives. But every time you evaluate these derivatives of inverse trig functions, remember the chain rule. We're going to plug all this in for x in the formula for the derivative. Okay, but then I'm going to multiply my final result by square root of 3 because the derivative of square root of 3 times t is just square root of 3. Okay, and luckily that square root doesn't goes over t, or else our derivative would be more complicated. So this is getting plugged in for x, and then we're almost done. That's all we have to do for derivatives of inverse trig functions. So it's negative 1 over the square root of 1 minus this is getting plugged in for x. So it's the entire square root times t squared. But then I need to multiply that by the derivative of the innermost function. So the derivative of square root of 3 times t is square root of 3. Okay, so you got negative square root of 3 in the numerator. The denominator, square root of 3 is being squared. T is being squared. So you got 1 minus 3t squared. I think that's probably as nice as we can write it. I don't think there's anything else we can do to clean that up. So there's our final answer. That's our derivative.